Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 23rd of August to 29th of August 2021. Let's talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant this whole week, Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will get contacts. You will get new contacts and you will get benefits from your new contacts. And your friends will support you, your friends will help you. Monday and Tuesday will be a very rewarding days when you will get support from higher authority. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind, success, achievement, fame, prosperity. Monday, Tuesday will be a very rewarding days. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. If you are in job, if you are in business, you will be blessed with a lot of financial gains. This whole time, Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be a little bit feel depressed, or you will feel down because you are not feeling comfortable. Whatever you are perform, you are not getting the results as per your expectation. This whole time, this whole week brings a lot of opportunities, but Wednesday and Thursday you need to be careful while spending your money. You need to be careful while overspending. You need to be careful while investing your money anywhere. Don't invest your money anywhere, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Weekend will be a very promising. You will spend wonderful time with your colleagues, with your friends, with your near and dear, and you will enjoy a lot of financial benefits. Again, weekend, Friday and Saturday will be an ultimate time when you will spend wonderful time with your family and friends, and you will enjoy a lot of good opportunities related to your professional life. If you are importer, exporter, any type of foreign related dealer, you will definitely blessed with some foreign transactions. This whole time, Sagittarius, you will be sky high and top. You will feel much relaxed and better. You are in a comfort zone. Try to maintain your patience related to your personal life as well as your professional life. You will be top. You will be on another height of success in this week. From 23rd of August to 29th of August, you will feel much relaxed, better, comforts in the terms of finance, in the terms of your new opportunities will knock you. Let's talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn Ascendants this whole week from 23rd of August to 29th of August, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with elders at home. This whole time, you will be a part of any problem related to your personal life. You're not feeling comfortable. You're out from comfort zone. You're trying to perform your best, but you're failed to get result. This whole time, you will be feeling much confused. Try to maintain your patience. Try to be in a honest way, because this whole time, Wednesday till Monday, Tuesday till Wednesday evening, you will be a part of any problem related to your personal life. Professionally, you are not rising. Professionally, you are not growing side, and you are feeling much down. You are feeling discomfort because your all pending work is still pending, and you are trying to perform your best, but you have failed to getting good results. Must chant this mantra: Om Bra Bri Bro Sah Buddhaya Namah. Om Bra Bri Bro Sah Buddhaya Namah. Om Bra Bri Bro Sah Buddhaya Namah. Must chant this mantra 108 times minimum, 121 times, 131 times maximum. You will definitely blessed with a lot of financial activities, and your good fortune is in your favor. Must wear one emerald ring finger in gold. Carat near about 3 carat to 4 carat, and rest according to degree of your planet in your natal chart. But overall, Capricorn, this whole week brings a lot of instability in your personal life. This whole week brings a lot of instability in your professional life, because the Saturn transit in your first house in retrograde motion. You are out from comfort zone. You are trying to perform your best, but you have failed to get results. So maintain your relationships, maintain your good relationship with your spouse, and try to give respect to your spouse. This whole week, if you lose talk, if you use any type of loose talk, you will be a part of any problem. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam, Jai Hind.